Hi guys, it's Nicole and Jason as cameraman
Yo.
with Honest Try TV, and today we're going to be unboxing our very first delivery from Unity Unity Cooks. And so this was literally just dropped off on our doorstep. We haven't opened it or looked at it or anything, so eat well without effort. Welcome to CookUnity. And again, we're trying this out for the first time. So inside it's just got, our chefs partner restaurants include. Cool. So these are the folks who can order food from, I guess. We're at 300 weekly choices. That is true. They have a ridiculous amount of choices. I spent like a good solid 20-30 minutes on their website trying to figure out what to order for this week. I don't remember what I got, because I looked at everything. So new to the menu. Oh, I guess this is when they add new stuff. They tell you what it is. Big flavor, small footprint. Feedback. How to enjoy your meals. Okay, remove the film. Heat or plate according to instructions, and then sit and savor. All right, interesting. So let's see. Oh, I guess this is what I ordered. So chicken and apple salad, 1 serving of that. That's for me. Chicken katsu with guajillo chili. Salmon cakes with a rock braised cabbage, probably. Shrimp and turkey sausage jambalaya. That's for Jason and Jair. Galbi rice bowl. Lamb kebab with turmeric hummus. And pancit bihon with Chinese sausage. So that's what's in our bag. And let's just look at this. So this, okay, because I was freaking out when I first saw the bag. I was like, oh my gosh, do we get a new bag every time we get a delivery? Because this is nice. But no, this insulated bag can keep meals refrigerated for up to 8 hours. Please return this bag and the ice packs with your future deliveries. Mother Nature thanks you. CookUnity has a zero waste goal. So that's really cool. And so yeah, that's the bag, and it's got the same message on the other side. And let's open her up and see what we got. So let's keep this forefront so I know what I'm supposed to be taking out. All right, so inside we've got this kind of, looks like plastic covering here, and then nice. So salmon cakes with a rock braised cabbage from Chef Not Admini. I'm sorry if I destroyed your name. From Balabusta. So I guess that's the restaurant and that's the chef. So calories, protein, fat, carbs, and then chef's instructions versus fast instructions for noobs like us. So CookUnity, a chef collective. And then there's more instructions on the bottom. I'm scared to I'm going to try to angle it, but I don't want to disturb the content of what's in there. So no GMOs, nothing artificial. Humanely raised, organic when possible, cooked from scratch. Meals should be stored at or below 41 Fahrenheit. Heating times are approximate. Reheat to 165 Fahrenheit. Instructions are based on 1100 watt microwave, blah, 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 blah. All right, cool. So I'm just gonna, because I'm nosy, I'm gonna pull it out because I want to see what I'm looking at. All right, come on, salmon cakes. See what you look like. Oh, cool. All right, so there's the salmon cakes with the braised cabbage, and then we've got a sauce to go with it. All right, so back into the sleeve you go. So let's take everything we've got out of here. So here's my chicken and apple salad. Chicken katsu. Chicken katsu. Chicken katsu. Pancit. Some more salmon cakes. More salmon cakes. I will also note that the ones that I took from the top were very, very warm. Is it hot outside?
Yeah.
Okay, so the ones that I took from the top were warm. And so now that I'm getting like down to where the ice pack is, I'm starting to feel that the temperature of the packages are colder. But the ones, just so you know, the ones on the top were definitely warm. So I don't know if that's going to affect anything. Galbi, shrimp and turkey, sausage jambalaya, some more jambalaya. Yeah, the further down I go into the bag, the colder the meals are. Lamb. Should be one more. Lamb. There we go. And then we have our we have one very melted ice pack. So I assume that I leave all this in here, and then the next time they come, I guess we leave this on our step, and then they will pick this up and drop off the new one. So I think that's how that works. And it looks like we have everything that we ordered. So I'm gonna let Jason show you the haul for this week. And yeah, I've never tried CookUnity before or anything like it, so I'm really interested to see how these recipes turn out. Well, these meals turn out. So we will keep you posted and let you know how we're rating the food and how our experience goes with sampling this first collection. Let us know if you have any questions down in the comments. Please like and subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. And yeah, thanks for joining us on Honest Try TV. So we'll see you next time. Stick around for more videos. Bye.
See ya.